Yes, everybody. Yeah, once again, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, so we can start our today's assembly. I had them joined. And yes, yeah, this is Friday. All are in color dresses. It's nice to see everybody. Very nice. Oh,
I'm
nice,
not in
Bayan.
color.
Color dress.
I am not in color dress.
Oh, yeah, that's off-white. Am I correct?
What?
Off-white.
I like to wear white.
That's great. Hatim, please turn on your camera. And Rabi, are you there? Yeah, very good. Good morning, Hatim. Adjust your
Good
camera.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, which is our first hour? Is it math?
Yup.
Yep. Okay, right. So, can we do today's exercise? Different yoga poses? No? What happened to you? Can we do? Can I share?
Do this, but normal, not karate or something.
Not what?
Not karate or something.
Karate? What karate?
Look, it's not karate. Ma'am, can you take this one?
Which
It's
one?
not karate. It's acting. It's yoga.
Yeah, it's yoga pose. It's yoga pose, Aizil. So do one thing, let me share the PPT with you and we can have,
Just to dance and not do the yoga.
okay, we can have this one. This will be really wonderful for you all, I think. Okay.
Let me just move my chair.
Yeah, I'm going to share this. Everybody, please stand up.
Ma'am,
Yes, is it
let's.
visible?
I will. Yes. Already.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, that's all. Yoga Guppy! Hello, everybody! Are you ready for the yoga freeze dance? Let's do the actions in the song. And when I say freeze, stay still and hold the yoga pose. Ready, set, let's go! Jump, 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 jump! Jump, jump,
Yes,
jump,
Hatim,
jump!
please stand up.
Jump, 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 jump!
Zayan,
1, 2, 3. Free pose, freeze!
yes.
Stop! 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 1, 2, 3. Triangle pose.
That's it. Thank you so much,
Now
everybody. Rabi, Varda, Bayan. Okay, Hatim and Zayan, you have to participate in this. Okay.
I have a invisible chair. I will sit without a chair. I can sit. See,
Okay.
can you see?
So, yes, Varda, sit there. Okay, and change your background. And Hatim, Zayan, both of you want to participate in all of these activities. Okay. Next class onwards. So, yes, our assembly time is over. So, we can start our math class.